Quinta do Lago may be the Algarve's most exclusive address, but in nearby neighborhoods, you often find far greater value. If your day starts with the Ria Formosa and ends on the rooftop terrace, this could be exactly what you're looking for. Hi, I'm Sandra from Mapro Knight Frank. Let me show you around. Renovated with a modern, welcoming feel, the living space centers around the fireplace and kitchen, with doors that slide back to connect directly to the outside. Three ensuite bedrooms on the ground floor, and upstairs a private principal suite with its own terrace where everything slows down. Poolside afternoons, long lunches, and the beach, boardwalk, and restaurants just moments away. And then, an additional beautifully landscaped garden with an entry gate that leads directly into Quinta do Lago. Search reference 2073 on our website or get in touch directly to arrange a visit.